Today we are going to discuss what are conditional operators. The conditional operators returns or prints the statement which satisfy the condition. Now how it works? For its working, we will discuss the syntax for conditional operators. Now this is the syntax for conditional operators. These two symbols, this question mark, semicolon represents the conditional operators. Now how it works? If this condition is true, then expression 1 is being executed. If this condition is false, then expression 2 is being executed. So let's see the program based on conditional operators. As the program is based on conditional operator, we need to check the condition. So we will write a program to check inputted number is even or odd. First main function. Then integer variable n to store the number. Now command enter the number to be checked. Now scanf function to read the data inputted by the user. As the inputted number is an integer, so we have to use %d, and then we have to assign it to n. Yes. Now printf the number is %s for the string which has to be printed. Now we will write the condition. If n%2 is exactly equals to 0, then expression 1 even, else odd, and then brackets get ch, then returning statement to close the program. Yes. Clear screen. Clear screen is to clear the previously inputted data. So now we will run the program. Well, the number is even. Yes. Once more. 13. The number is odd. Now how it works? First of all, we have to declare an integer to store the inputted number. Then we will write a command to enter the number which has to be checked. Then we will assign it to n by using scanf function, and then we will check this condition. Now if the number is completely divisible by 2, then the remainder will be 0. This modulus operator returns the remainder. If the inputted number is completely divisible by 2, then this condition will become true and expression 1 will be executed. If the inputted number is not completely divisible by 2, then the expression will be false and second expression that will be executed, that is odd. Now we will see the program to check inputted number is positive or negative or 0. First of all, main function then an integer variable to store the number. Then I will write a clear screen to clear the previous inputs. Percent s, sorry, yes. Then I will write the condition. If n is greater than 0, then expression 1, that is positive. Else I will write one more expression, condition, sorry, check, then it will be negative. Else 0. Then get ch and then returning string. Yes, we will. Now how it works, we will compile it. 12 positive, yes. 0 0, yes. Minus 12 negative, yes. Now how it works, first of all we will input the number n and then assign it to n. Then we will check the condition here. If this condition is true, if n is greater than 0, then this expression will execute. First of all, this is first expression, and this whole is the second expression. So if this condition is true, then this statement will execute, that is positive. Otherwise, if this condition is false, then this whole statement will execute. Now in this, once again it will check the condition. If n is not greater than 0, then it will check either n is less than 0 or it is 0. So if it is less than 0, then it will print negative, otherwise this statement will execute. And then return name of the program, and the program will close. Now we will see program to find maximum from two inputted numbers. Main function, we will take two variables, integer variables, to store the numbers, and one max variable to store the maximum. Clear screen, then command enter the value of A and B. Then we will assign it to A and B by using scanf function. %d, %d, and then address of B. Now we will store the maximum value to the variable max. So max will equal to condition if A greater than B, then the output will be A, else output will be B. Yes, and printf value is comma max ch and returning statement. Yes, we will compile this program. The value of A 12 and the value of B 14. The maximum value is 14. One more example. 14, 88. The maximum value is 87. Yes. Now how it works? First of all, we have to declare two variables A and B and max variable to store the maximum value. Then we will give a command for entering the two numbers A and B. Then we will assign it to A and B, and then as this will return, if A is greater than B, it will return A, else if A is not greater than B, then it will return B. We have to print the maximum value as max, as the maximum value is been stored to max. And that's it. Earlier we have seen the program to find maximum from two inputted numbers. Now we will see a program to find maximum from three inputted numbers. Main function. Now we will declare three integer variables A, B and C, and one max variable to store the maximum between these three numbers. Then command to enter three numbers and assign these numbers to A, B and C. Assign D, B, D and rest of A. And then storing the maximum value to max variable, we will use the condition if A is greater than B, then if A is also greater than C, and B is greater than C, then get ch and return. Okay. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we have to print that number, sorry. The person D, comma max. Then I will compile it. The maximum value is 14. Yes. Now how it works? First of all, I will enter three numbers ABC, assign it to ABC, and then If A is greater than B, then this expression will execute, this one. Otherwise, this expression will execute. If A is greater than B, then it will check is A is also greater than C. If it is, this condition is true, the maximum value is assigned to A. Otherwise, if this condition is false, if A is not greater than B, then this expression will not execute, this expression will execute. And here it will check if B is greater than C, then B will be the maximum value, as A is not greater than B and C is also not greater than B. So the maximum value will be assigned to B, and here it will check is B is also greater than C or not. If B is greater than C, then the maximum value will be B, will assign at B, else it will assign at C. That's it.